This is the most famous red card in football history, and it ended a legend's career in the final match he'd ever play. Zidane, World Cup final, one headbutt, one red card, game over. But here's what almost nobody actually understands. Red and yellow cards aren't just bad foul, worse foul. They're a legal system. And today, in 4 minutes, I'm breaking down exactly how it works, using real cards from this World Cup. Cards weren't always around. Before 1970, referees just talked. And in 1966, that broke completely. A player was sent off at Wembley and just didn't leave because he genuinely didn't understand the referee. English referee Ken Aston was driving home that night, stopped at a red light, and thought, yellow, take it easy. Red, you're off. His wife cut the first cards out of paper that same evening. True story. Cards launched at the 1970 World Cup, and not a single red card was shown the entire tournament. The system everyone thinks of as dramatic actually started completely quiet. So what earns a yellow? It's not just fouls, dissent, time wasting, removing your shirt after scoring, even faking an injury. A yellow is a warning, a line drawn in the sand. Cross it twice and something automatic happens. 2 yellows in one match doesn't mean a lighter punishment. It becomes a full red card instantly. No difference in outcome. That's exactly what happened to Argentina's Enzo Fernandez in this year's World Cup final. A second yellow, and suddenly Argentina were down a man in the biggest match of their lives. A straight red is a different category entirely. Violent conduct, serious foul play, spitting at anyone, denying a clear goal-scoring chance. These aren't warnings, and they're instant dismissals, no second chance, no build-up. Here's the part even hardcore fans get wrong. Used to be, if you fouled someone inside the box on a clear goal-scoring chance, that was an automatic red. Penalty, red card, and a ban, all at once. Football's lawmakers eventually called that too harsh. Now, if the defender genuinely goes for the ball, it's just a yellow and a penalty. Only if there's no attempt to play the ball, holding, shoving, pulling a shirt, does the red card come out. And this tournament has been wild for it. Red cards this World Cup are more than triple what we saw at the last 2 tournaments combined. Back then, referees showed just 4 reds across the whole competition. This year, 13 were shown before the knockout stages even finished. Some of those started as yellow cards on the pitch, and VAR upgraded them to red after review, live, mid-tournament. And it's not just about the card anymore. This World Cup, USA's Fullerin Balogun was correctly sent off, but FIFA controversially lifted his one-match ban days later, letting him play again. UEFA publicly slammed the decision. The card isn't the end of the story anymore. What happens after it is becoming just as controversial. So next time that card comes out, you're not just watching a punishment. You're watching one of football's oldest legal systems play out in real time, built from a 1966 traffic jam and refined right up to this tournament. If you've followed this whole series, you now understand this game better than most people commentating on it. Subscribe, because the next big card is coming and you'll already know exactly why it happened.